Hello, and welcome to your local news station. I'm your host, Cozza, and today we are here with an amazing news story about a mother-daughter team whose main business is log rolling. Here is our expert, Karis Hardy now. I've been informed of a new sport that is sweeping the nation. Please, tell me about it.
Judy Skier-Hollister and Abby Hollister-Delaney are amazing at log rolling. Judy herself happens to be a 7-time log rolling champion, and Abby a 5-time world boom running champion. She still holds the record for that.
Wow, that's an amazing feat. Tell me more.
Well, they have created a log rolling company called Key Log Rolling. They want everyone to have the joy of log rolling. Their logs are portable and can be shipped anywhere for anyone to enjoy. Abby said that, quote, "They are not only a piece of portable equipment that can be shipped anywhere in the world, but a synthetic piece of equipment that is consistent everywhere you go," unquote.
Well, what is their goal then, other than everyone being able to enjoy log rolling and stuff?
Well, Judy said that, quote, "I want this amazing athletic-sparing water sport to be in the Olympics. So that is our goal. That is our vision, and we are on it," unquote.
If that was in the Olympics, I would definitely watch it.
Same.
Has anything changed during Key Log?
Carol Evans says that in just the past 5 years, 500 clubs, camps, colleges, military bases in the U.S. have started log rolling programs using the Key Log.
Wow, that's a lot! Thank you very much for your time.
You are very, very welcome. It's been a pleasure.
I'm your host, Cozza, and thank you very much for joining us on this special news.